So what are you baking today?
I'm baking some sugar cookies with flowers on them. First attempt, hopefully they don't burn.
How long have you enjoyed baking for?
Probably since I was little, because my nonna used to bake and my mum has always baked and they both taught me, so it's always been a very comforting thing that I like to do. I think my favourite ingredient to bake with is probably cinnamon. Personally, it's a personal favourite because I feel like it just makes everything taste so warm and comforting. Love a good cinnamon roll, love a good muffin. What else do I like to bake? I like to bake bread. I've never tried making sourdough before because it's really hard, but I would love to try and make my own sourdough.
What's your favourite thing to cook / bake?
Oh, I don't know. I've always really liked making cinnamon rolls. But you need to like take a whole day to make them because you have to let the dough rise and stuff. I like baking savoury things. I made focaccia bread for the first time the other day. That was pretty good. And I love to make people birthday cakes because it always just makes them so happy. And you can like personalise it to who they are, which I like.
How long does the process normally take?
It depends. Sometimes I'm like baking just because I'm hungry and I want to eat something, so I'll just do something in like 20 minutes or half an hour, but sometimes I just want to pass the time, so I'll like clear out my whole day and I'll use it to bake something. Like if I make bread or if I make like scrolls or something, that will take ages because I have to let the dough proof and then let it like rise, and it takes hours and hours, which is nice. I think it's nice to be able to take your time. I've always wondered how the first person discovered how to bake bread. Like, who discovered yeast? It's so, like, such a strange concept that they were like, this was going to make bread rise. Who thought of that? I don't know.
Nom nom nom.
Good.